Today is day 20 of the Green Smoothie Challenge. 10 more days to go after this. Today we're going to introduce you to collard greens, as well as some tangerines. So collard greens also have a stem that's relatively bitter and may cause some gas because it's kind of starchy. So you're going to want to pull the greens off the stem. Now, unlike kale, where it easily comes off, it's actually a little bit easier just to slice it off. So you could just run your knife along the stem, and it's that easy. So we'll process the collard greens first. Also, little side note here, these make perfect green tortillas. So you can actually wrap stuff into this like a burrito. And a good thing to do there is to come over here and just kind of trim off a little bit of the stem. Because when you do that, it makes the leaf more malleable and it rolls better. So sometimes I make wraps at my house, and these make the best tortillas, in my humble opinion. But that's a different story, a different video. For now, we're making a smoothie. And you know what? Let's throw the fruit in first and give ourselves some room to work. Strawberries with greens. Also, we have some tangerines. I'm gonna peel those. I suppose you could throw them in with the peel if you want a little zest. After over 25, 26 years of working with produce, I'm pretty good at peeling citrus. And some of my friends are in awe of that. They're like, man, how do you peel oranges so good? It's simple, practice. So that was an apple that I just cut in there. We have a whole banana. And will you look at that, now we have room to work. Awesome. Funk, funk. By the way, when I throw stuff in my sink, that's kind of like my temporary compost. I later process those scraps and either make soups or salads out of them, or just take them in the back and throw them in the garden, because that's not wasteful. That's actually creating soil to help me grow more greens in the spring and summer. In go the greens. Next we have water. And we blend. Done. Just like that. Now that you know, go and make your smoothie. Cheers.